Hi guys, it's Medina here with you from Medina Yoga. I started recording these short videos about asana alignment, geometry, and about technique. I want you to understand how to place your body in space and why we adhere to certain alignment cues and when they make sense and do not make sense for certain body types and certain body structures. This information I always want to share in my group classes, but simply rarely have time to do so because it's more of a workshop setting where I can share this information, or even it's a teacher training material. The first video will be on downward facing dog and specifically on placement of the arms and hands. If you want to get access to this video, please join my online live classes this week. So either Wednesday restorative or Sunday vinyasa. The link is on my website. Thank you.